welcome back to another video. Today I decided to take you along my day. I don't know if it's gonna be a full day. I think it's just gonna be like the daytime, but just take you along with me of things I gotta do today. I gotta go to Kohl's because I have to return something for my mom, and then go to Target because I recently just got a new car. I'm gonna hopefully insert a picture right here. But I recently just got a new car, so I'm gonna go like shopping, get some little things to like put inside of it or whatever. Maybe give you a little mini car tour, who knows. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower and then I'll be back. I'm finished getting ready. This is the fit. Just a shirt and then some leggings. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put some shoes on, make my bed because it looks a hot mess, and then be on my way. So alright guys, I'm in my car. I got Kia K5 GT line, black interior, and then I got the wolf gray color. I don't have anything in here like accessory wise except for this key holder, and that's it. So we're about to go to Turkey. Alright, I'm back from Target. Not back, but in the car from Target. I'm gonna show you what I got when I get home, and like I'm gonna organize my stuff when I get home. But now I want a smoothie, so I'm gonna go to Tropical Smoothie now. I've never been. They just opened, I think, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So now I'm gonna go there. But yeah. Alright, I'm back from Tropical Smoothie. I got a mango magic because like I was gonna go with strawberry banana, but I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna go home and then organize my car. I had to scoot back a little bit so I wasn't so close to the camera. But I'm gonna do the center console first. So I already have like a big hand sanitizer in there, and then I bought a pack of gum because you never know. Some Lysol just in case you know I gotta spray something down. Q-tips, Vaseline, wet wipes, Advil just in case somebody, you know, gets a headache or never know. Just to have 2 little deodorants, another like hand sanitizer. Jesus. I've seen this literally all over TikTok, and so I wanted to try it to see if it was actually good. So I bought it. And then I got, these don't really relate to the car, but I got lip liner because I also wanted to try this. Eyelash curler because I haven't had one in years, and I always need one, but I just never buy one. And then I got clear mascara and brow stuff. I mean, they're both mascara, I guess, but like you can use them for both your brows and your actual eyelashes. but okay. And then I got another hand sanitizer. I don't know why I picked up so much hand sanitizer. I'm not, like, I don't like germs, obviously. Who likes germs? But I don't know why I picked up so much hand sanitizer. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do this center real quick, and then I'll show you.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Okay, so I did the wet wipes down here, the Lysol, and then the Advil, Vaseline, hand sanitizers, deodorant, and the Q-tips. I was gonna put this back in, but I'm just gonna put it in the trunk, and then I also put the gum over here on this side, but I do kind of want to, I'll put it in here actually, so it's gonna go in there. And then I have like these smell goods from Bath and Body Works, like the vent ones for your car, but I don't know if I'm gonna use them yet. I'm gonna go get them out of my room, but I don't know if I'm gonna use them yet because I have these in right now. So I'm gonna put this in there, but I don't think I'm gonna use it until these stop smelling good. So for the trunk, I bought this little basket. I already have like a trunk organizer, but I bought this basket too because I got a blanket just in case. I already have another blanket right here, but I got another blanket just in case. And then I wanted to do like a little snack, make it like a little snack bin too. So I got chips and some mini vanilla wafers, goldfish, and a 6-pack of water. We're gonna do that and then I'll show you. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Sorry if it was quick. I just really wanted to show you like me starting to get my car together. I do have to do an Amazon order though, because I want like car hooks and like all types of stuff like that. But for right now, I just did the console in the trunk. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.